Good afternoon or morning or whenever you're watching this. We got another home tour here with the Ellis team. Kelsey is holding this one open. This house is pretty great. We're in Bryn Mawr, Midtown Tulsa. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 3,741 square feet. Currently offered at $925,000 at the time of this video. I do love the kind of, it's not a Tudor style, it's more cottagey in a way, but I love the white and gray contrast. I love the little like coppery sconces above the garage. Very cute house, lovely yard, you guys. Perfectly manicured. We do have lighting right here on the walkway. Good sized porch here. Love the cute little mail slot too. But look at the size of this porch. You do have can lights in the top. It's a lovely feature. Got to have a lot of landscape lighting. That's what makes a house these days. Right in here, you got your foyer entrance. Love that light fixture. And check out this wallpaper. Oh my gosh. I personally think wallpaper is coming back, but not the wallpaper that you think of in your like grandma's house, because you know that's like floral and gross. This is very geometric. I don't hate it. Some of those old ones are ugly, but I like the new ones. If you go into a showroom, you'll see a lot of wallpaper, even in new construction now, but they're more of the geometric patterns, more trendy, an accent wall here and there, not the entire house like it used to be. I do love the wainscoting around the bottom, and then also these windows, almost floor to ceiling. So lots of natural light here, which is great. We'll head on this way into the living room. You have the built-ins with the underlighting, which I think is really nice. It's not underlighting, but whatever those kind of lights are. Arm lights. Got the place for the TV. Lovely fireplace there. And the patio, we'll go out there at the end, but AstroTurf. There's even a zip line out there. You got a place for the TV, but I'll show you that in a minute. Let's head this way into the kitchen. Look at this massive island. Let me set my flyer down there. Huge, perfect for entertaining, obviously. You have storage space right there. You've even got cabinets underneath for more storage. Love the contrasting gray. We saw that in one of my other home tours recently. It's popular to have that pop of color. I do like that the island countertop is not the same as this countertop because it just gets more contrast. This is a granite, I forget what they call this, but when you feel it, it feels kind of like leathery. They probably just call it leather granite, but it is actual stone, but it has a soft texture, which is really cool. Got a gas range there. Let me know in the comments what you think about this. They're actually little pieces with like a herringbone pattern. I think it's pretty cool to have that little accent. If it was me, I would probably put in like a pot filler. I don't know if there's water there, but you do see a lot of pot fillers now. But this house is pretty great as is regardless. I love the shaker cabinets, and then they have stainless steel accents, which is really nice because it matches the dishwasher, the oven, of course the fridge. You do have outlets on the island, which is great. Love, it's not really a farm sink, but it's pretty substantial. I do love this faucet situation. I love the windows behind the sink, which I've talked about before because it's nice to look at something other than just a wall when you do have to do some dishes. Love this light fixture. Gorgeous. You've got gorgeous wood floors. And look at this fireplace, you guys, with the white marble tiles. Love that. Of course, you have a place for the TV up there if you like a TV in the kitchen. Could be nice though. My family, you spend all the time in the kitchen. It's kind of like the hub of the house. So having a TV in here could be a great feature. You have more built-ins here, kind of a little office nook situation. I would probably put my coffee maker over here, have a little coffee station or tea, whatever you're into. Love those two windows. And let's head over, well, I'll show you this way first. So your utility room is over here. Here's a half bath. Really nice. You have an accent shiplap on the top, which is cool. Over here, look at the size of this utility room, you guys. Shaker cabinets again, love the white. You do have a granite counter, which is really cool. The sink is an amazing feature in any utility room. And you also have tile floors in here, which is great. And then right here, it's just a closet. And then we'll show you the garage. Loads of space in here. It's a 2-car. You do have extra storage up there, which is nice. That's just your back door. And then of course, your utility closet right there. Love that. Let's head upstairs and show you. I actually haven't been up here yet, so it's going to be an adventure for both of us. So you've got, this would be a bonus room. Can't technically be a bedroom because there's no closet, but you could obviously add one and make it into a bedroom if you like. Great space up here though. I'm assuming this is going to be storage, and it's locked. Okay. Yep, attic storage. So that's a nice little feature to make use of that space. Let's head over this way. See what's over here. Be sure if you're still watching, let me know in the comments what's your favorite part so far. Get some light in here. So this would be, could almost be like an upstairs master if you had someone else living with you and you needed that space, because you have your own bathroom up here, you guys. No, we don't leave that one on. So you got a full bath. This looks like a quartz counter, which is a nice feature. You do like the little diamond tiles there. And you got subway tiles all the way up the back in the shower. So really nice kind of ensuite bathroom for not even the master bedroom. Closet space here. This is going to be attic. Oop, it's locked. Come on, Ryan, get it together. Okay. So a good amount of storage, not a ton. There's a little bit right here. So it's better than nothing. But you could obviously floor more of this if you needed more storage. But I think what they have so far is probably enough for the average family. Most people don't have too much stuff, but I know it's easy to accumulate, especially if you move a lot. All right, let's go back downstairs and I'll see you in a second. So on this side of the house, we're just across the living room. So you have another bedroom here. And then you have I believe this is a Pullman bath. Yeah. So you have quartz counters in here. Again, shaker cabinets, your shower, and then it's kind of a tight space here to get you guys the full view. So you have these nice built-ins, hangers for the bathrobes. Love that. And then in here, you have the other vanity with a tub. So it's a Pullman connecting these two bedrooms down here. Love the windows. And then let's look at the closet. Love a tall closet, you guys. So all the way up there, tons of storage. Perfect. Over this way, I'll show you the master. Again, love the contrasting doors. You do have, of course, a security system in this home. I think they have automated sprinklers. It's like a whole smart home situation. But love the bay window there. Huge space. You got a pop ceiling, crown molding, all the things. You do have your own access to the patio, which is nice. Double doors into the master bath. Huge closet. I love these drawers that are built in. So fun. Over here, you've got a herringbone tile floor, which is nice. Love the tub situation. Built-ins, huge vanity. And then you have the shower right here with the racks for the towels, which is a good feature. Toilet area. And then we'll show you the backyard and we're done. So you have AstroTurf out here on the patio, which I am in love with. I hate yard work. You do have this really amazing screen door right here. So you could have this open, have the screen up if you like that indoor-outdoor entertaining. You do have a shed over here, which is nice to have that extra bit of storage when you're in Midtown because, you know, you got to have use of space. But I love that. Absolutely adore this yard. AstroTurf, I mean, I am a fan. No watering, no mowing. It's perfect. No moles, not dealing with rodents. It's perfect. You do have, of course, this play set for the kids, and the zip line that I was talking about that I'm not going to try because I don't want to die today. And then over here, you do have a kind of dog run area for those fur babies, if you have those as well. And of course, the patio for your trash. So let me know what you guys think about this house in the comments. I think it's pretty fabulous. If you're new here, be sure and like and subscribe for more real estate content, house tours, and local content, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video.